Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. Today I'm gonna talk about 9 underrated products. I think I have 9 anyway. But before we get into it, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I put out videos 6 times a week, so you'd get a lot of content on my channel. But now let's get into it. I do have a makeup tutorial on this look. I think it's already up and I will leave it in the cards. If it's not, it's coming. And as I said, today I'm gonna talk about some products that I think is very underrated, that I don't understand why they don't get more attention and why not more people are talking about them. So let's meet number 1. The first product is a product that I have started to love recently, and it's the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I think that this product is amazing and it's no money at all. I bought this for 66 crowns, which is, could it be $8? That's a steal. This is the cheapest foundation I have ever purchased. This is like $4 to $5 cheaper than the Wet n Wild ones that I have purchased. I mean, this is so freaking affordable and it's so good. It has a light to medium coverage. I do prefer a medium to light, or medium, I would say. And this stays on the entire day. It looks very natural on the skin. You do have to shake it before you use it because it is very, very liquidy. I am not wearing this foundation today actually because I was trying out a new foundation today, but I do enjoy this one, so I would definitely recommend this one. I thought that I would love the full coverage foundation more, but I love this one even more. So don't forget to shake before you use and then just enjoy. Another product is a product that I have talked about for maybe 1 year and I don't know why people or more people aren't talking about them. I love cream products. If you don't, then just hear me out. You don't have to love cream products, but I would recommend for someone that want to get into cream contour to try this product out. This is from Beauty UK and this is their Ultimate Contour Chubby Stick in the shade Medium Contour. They do have more shades. How many they are, I am not aware of, but this is the way it's swatched. So it is cool tone, but it's not too cool tone that it gets ashy. It's also super duper creamy. I mean, see how well or easy I blend this out. It doesn't rub your foundation and it just blends in together so seamlessly and so beautifully with your skin that I mean, I don't know. I just think that this is amazing. I did get my first one in PR. I used that one up and I did purchase this for my own money, which is very important for me to say because I have raved and raved and raved and raved about this. I think that this is insanely beautiful. I do have another cream contour product that I thought that I would show you guys today as well. This is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. Looks like this. I love the packaging that they have on these. They are very, very sleek and beautiful, and when you open it up you get this large ass mirror which has my fingerprints all over it, but I will just do like this. I have not tried this concealer actually. I think I've swatched it and just come to the conclusion that it's not really for me. This is also a shade that I don't use because it is too dark for me, but I do love the mix of these two together. It's the contour that I'm wearing today. I do love to go in with a cream contour because I think it looks so natural and seamlessly on the skin. As I said, I mixed these out and these are also super duper creamy. It's actually surprised me a lot. I bought these because Nicole Renee Cutler actually recommended them and I do trust her a lot. But she recommended this for the longest time and I ended up purchasing it because I was very, very curious, and I have gotten into cream contour the latest like 6, 7, 8 months maybe. I really, really enjoy it. I never powder contour anymore because I don't know, I don't want to do that, so I go in with this one and it's beautiful. I highly recommend you to check this product out. Next up is a product that isn't really affordable, but I did actually want to mention it because I don't know why no one is talking about these. This is the Code Beautiful Voluminous Lengthening Mascara and their eyeshadow eyelash primer. This combination is amazing. When I got these ones, I actually stopped using falsies for a while just because I didn't need them. My lashes were so thick and so long that I felt that I didn't need any false lashes. I'm not saying that they were as long as these ones that I'm wearing today, definitely not, but they were so long. I would say that they are quite expensive. You can get them off eBay, I was about to say, but Beauty Bay. And if you want to purchase both of them, it costs a lot of money, but I don't know why not more big influencers that gets a lot of PR, that is very, very big, don't talk about these. But because, as I said, if you have very small or short lashes, I would definitely recommend to try this combination out. It's just amazing, and this is always the mascara and eyelash primer that I use if I'm not gonna wear any false lashes. It's no secret that I really love the Nyx HD Powder in Banana. I have talked about this a lot, and I am about to hit pan on, or I'm about to hit pan on this. I have hit a lot of pan on this. I am running low on this, but I do have a backup in my vanity. This is a product that I think is so freaking good. I love to set my under eye with it. It is in the shade Banana, if I didn't say that, but it isn't as yellow as the, I know that Ben Nye test on animals, but it isn't as yellow as their powder, which I enjoy because it's just a tint of yellow, which doesn't make me or my skin look sick, which I really, really enjoy. It's a great powder, and I definitely recommend this. So, yeah, I don't know why more people isn't talking about it. It's no secret that I love the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It feels like in my past videos, like the last 2 months, I have mentioned this product quite a lot, but it truly is a hidden gem. It's such a beautiful and unique product, and actually I'm gonna swatch these for you and you will see that they are super duper pigmented, so they might not be perfect for, you know, most of the times we talk about that for brow powders we need to have something that isn't really that pigmented. I don't agree at all. I think that this is the perfect product for that because they are so pigmented. I don't want to spend 30 minutes on my brows. I just want to go in very, very quick. As I said, I really think that this is an amazing product. I used this one when I had red hair, so I don't use this anymore, and now I'm using this one. And yeah, this is the shade that my brows are in. They might be a little bit too dark for some, but I enjoy my brows as they are, thank you. If you could get your hands on this, and if you are looking for an amazing brow product or brow powder, this is the way to go. It's no surprise that I love this blush from Milani. It's actually not. I have talked about this so much, so I'm just gonna talk about this really quick if you are watching this and you don't know who I am, or if you haven't seen any other of my videos. But this product is so freaking good. This is the shade Bellini from Milani. It's one of their baked blushes, and this shade is just amazing. I don't know why people are raving about Luminoso, because this is truly more, okay, I haven't tried Luminoso, but this one is truly more beautiful. This is a mix of pink and peach combined into one with some gold shimmers. So it's super duper beautiful. If you apply your bronzer, then your highlight, and then this on top. I'm not saying you should put this on top of your highlight, but it will kind of touch your highlight a bit, and it will look so seamlessly. It will look so healthy. It will give a little bit of a glow to your skin. At the same time, it will leave a flush of color. It's very, very pigmented, so don't be very heavy-handed, but I am, because I love that blushed look. But yeah, this is definitely a hidden gem as well. I do have two other blushes that I'm going to talk about, and both of them are from the Balm. I have said this for years and years that I think that their blushes is a product that is very underrated, because they are so good and they stay on the skin the entire day. They aren't too pigmented, but they aren't too, how do you say, not pigmented. This is in the shade Cabana Boy, and this is in the shade Downboy. They're just perfect. I love these. This on deep skin is so beautiful. I do like this on fair skin as well, because otherwise I would not own it. I have definitely purchased these for my own money, but I just think that these are hidden gems, but I'm not going to talk about them anymore because I have talked about them so much in the past. The last product isn't a surprise either if you are a ride or die on my channel, but it is the H&M Glitterati mascara liners. I think that these are the best glitters I have ever tried, and it's only these I have tried. I have not tried the Urban Decay ones, but I do have to say that they swatch amazingly. I'm using these all the time when I'm using glitter. Can you see how opaque and pigmented they are? Probably you can't, but they are. Now they do have a mascara wand and an eyeliner, but it doesn't affect the results of the liner. I own 4 of them and they do have 5. I don't have the coppery one, but I would say that the gold and the silver is the best ones. The other ones I would skip because they aren't as pigmented and opaque. They contain a little bit more gel than glitter, if that makes any sense. These are half and half, so you definitely get a lot of glitter once you apply them, and I think that these are amazing, and I think that more people should try them. More people should talk about them. If you do, or if you enjoy gold and silver glitter, then try them. They're not a lot of money and they actually do spruce up a look. So yeah, I do recommend these. But that was all of the products that I had to talk about today. Please let me know which product you think is very underrated. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!